Looking for a reliable tool for precise electronics repair and DIY projects? This soldering station is designed to deliver fast heating, stable temperature control, and accurate soldering performance. With its ergonomic soldering iron and adjustable temperature settings, it's perfect for repairing circuit boards, connecting wires, assembling electronic components, and more. Whether you're a professional technician, electronics hobbyist, or DIY enthusiast, this compact and efficient soldering station can make your work easier, faster, and more precise. Upgrade your workspace with a dependable soldering solution today. Number 5. FNIRSI DWS 200-200W Soldering Station. Description: the FNIRSI DWS 200 soldering station is a powerful and versatile solution for professional electronics repair, DIY projects, and precision soldering work. With up to 200 W of power, it provides rapid heating and stable performance for efficient soldering and rework applications. Designed to support C210 and C245 soldering iron handles, this station offers excellent flexibility for different soldering tasks. Key features: 200 W high-power soldering station. Compatible with C210 and C245 soldering iron handles. Fast heating and stable temperature control. Suitable for electronics repair and rework. Includes a practical soldering helping hand. Number 4. YIHUA 982 Rapid Heating Soldering Station. Description: the YIHUA 982 soldering station is a high-performance electronic soldering solution designed for fast heating, precise temperature control, and efficient rework applications. Compatible with the C210 soldering iron handle, it is ideal for detailed electronics repair, circuit board soldering, component replacement, and DIY projects. With its rapid heating capability and stable performance, the YIHUA 982 helps technicians and electronics enthusiasts complete soldering tasks quickly and accurately. Key features: rapid heating soldering station. Compatible with C210 soldering iron handle. Precise temperature control. Suitable for electronics repair and rework. Ideal for circuit boards, wires, and electronic components. Number 3. Easy plug-pull nozzle for phone repair and electronics. Description: the YIHUA 959D2 700W Hot Air Rework Soldering Station is a powerful and efficient tool designed for professional electronics repair and rework applications. With its 700 W heating power, it delivers rapid heating and strong hot air performance for tasks such as SMD component removal, soldering, desoldering, and circuit board repair. Featuring an easy plug-and-pull nozzle design, changing nozzles is quick and convenient, helping improve efficiency during different repair tasks. Key features: powerful 700 W heating performance. Rapid heating for efficient repair work. Easy plug-and-pull nozzle replacement design. Ideal for SMD soldering and desoldering. Suitable for mobile phone and electronics repair. Number 2. BK602 Pro 2-in-1 Rework Soldering Station. Description: the BK602 Pro 2-in-1 Rework Station combines a precision soldering station and powerful hot air blower in one compact, versatile unit. Designed with an adaptive heating core compatible with C115, C210, and C245 soldering tips, it offers excellent flexibility for a wide range of electronics repair and rework applications. With fast heating, stable temperature control, and dual-function performance, this station is ideal for soldering, desoldering. Key features: 2-in-1 soldering and hot air rework station. Adaptive C115, C210, and C245 heating core compatibility. Fast heating and precise temperature control. Suitable for SMD soldering and desoldering. Number 1. Digital Soldering Heat Gun Kit with 3 nozzles and accessories. Description: the FETA 858D Hot Air SMD Rework Station is a practical and efficient tool for electronics repair, soldering, and rework applications. Featuring digital control and adjustable hot air performance, it provides precise heating for SMD components, circuit boards, and various electronic repair tasks. This complete kit includes 3 different nozzles, 1 heating element, and additional accessories, giving you the flexibility to handle a wide range of soldering and desoldering jobs. Key features: digital hot air SMD rework station, adjustable temperature and airflow control, includes 3 interchangeable nozzles, comes with 1 replacement heating element. Additional accessories included: